Download the official WapCar app now on Google Play Store. Hello everybody, it's Adrian for WapCar.my and I'm all about the details. This is the all-new Nissan Almera, priced between 79,000 to 91,000 ringgit for this range-topping VLT variant. Now, prices quoted are on the road without insurance and sales tax, so they're only valid until December 2020. Now, this places the Nissan Almera about 5,000 ringgit more expensive compared to its equivalent rivals. Now, in today's video, I'm going to find out what makes it so expensive and whether is it worth it. First up, the Almera comes with forward collision warning with autonomous emergency braking standard across the range. Yes, you heard me right, standard across the range. Toyota, Honda, Perdua, not even the Proton X50 is able to offer AEB standard across the range, where you get it in the Almera. Now, the Almera's FCW and AEB operates between 5 to 80 km per hour and is able to detect objects up to 200 meters. However, it does not come with pedestrian detection. Underneath the hood is a highly efficient 1-litre turbocharged 3-cylinder petrol engine paired to a CVT automatic, pushing out 100 horsepower and 152 Nm of torque. It's the only Japanese B-segment sedan in class to offer a turbocharged engine. You know, last time you guys complained, Nissan Almera uses 1.5-litre 4-speed auto like a dinosaur. Give you turbo engine, you better buy. These zero-gravity inspired semi-bucket seats is the most comfortable and supportive seats in the class. Besides that, you also get a 7-inch LCD display for the instrument cluster. And the only other car that offers in this segment is the Honda City, but only in the range-topping RS-iMMD. The Vios? Tada! This cool stuff from Nissan. The VLT and VLP variants of the Almera comes with properly sized tyres measuring 205/55 for these 16-inch wheels. Now, to put things into perspective, this tyre size is more commonly found on C-segment cars such as the Proton Preve, Proton Exora, as well as Volkswagen Jetta. Now, the benefits of having properly sized tyres are you get better highway stability at high speeds, as well as better steering feedback through the corners versus cars with skinnier tyre setup. But more importantly, you get to immediately slap on Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tyres of this size without voiding your warranty. This 60/40 folding rear seat is a Malaysia-only feature. It's only available in our Malaysian spec cars. Thailand spec cars don't get this feature. Now, this is because Adrian Motors have purposely forked out the development costs and have Nissan to redesign and re-engineer these folding rear seats for the new generation Almera, because they understand that practicality is very important for Malaysians. And with these folding rear seats, you're able to load in more items, bigger, longer items, and expand the 482 litres boot space. So there you have it. Do you think that the Nissan Almera costing about 5,000 ringgit more than its rivals justifiable? Let me know in the comment section below. For me personally, I think it's pretty worth it, just for this looks alone. As always, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Download the official WapCar app on Google Play Store now for all your latest news, reviews, and comparisons to help you find your next perfect car. See you there!